Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about respiratory system. In this class we will see general definition of respiration, phases of respiration, types of respiration, human respiratory system and the organs coming under human respiratory system, structure of respiratory system, then explanation about respiratory units. So we will start with the first part. Myself, Dr. Khyati Muthalia, Assistant Professor, Department of Kriya Sharir, Global Institute of Ayurveda, Rajkot. First, we will see what is respiration. As we all know, it is just breathe in and breathe out process. As a definition, we can tell it, respiration is the process by which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. Next, phases of respiration. As we have to know about respiration, it has two phases. First one is external respiration and second one is internal respiration. Now we will see what does it mean by external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration means that involvement of exchanging of respiratory gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide, between lungs and blood. Internal respiration means involvement of exchange of gases between blood and tissues. So I hope that all of you understood regarding the main difference between internal respiration and external respiration. In human respiratory system, it is needed with help of certain organs or units to conduct the respiratory process. So it is divided into two zones mainly. That is, first one is conducting zone and second one is respiratory zone. Conducting zone conditions the incoming air, where the respiratory zone does exchange of gases. Now we will see what are the organs and units of organs coming under respiratory system. Under conducting zone, nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, terminal bronchioles, and under respiratory zone, respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, alveolar sacs, and alveoli. To explain about structure of respiratory system, it can be divided into two parts, upper respiratory system and lower respiratory system. Upper respiratory system consists of nose and pharynx, and lower respiratory system larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. Just observe the image shown in the screen. You can see the organs and its arrangement under upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract. Now we will see what is the meaning of respiratory unit and structure of respiratory unit. Respiratory unit is defined as the structure and the functional unit of lung, because exchange of gases occurs only in this part of respiratory tract. So what are the structures of a respiratory unit? Again, structure of a respiratory unit is divided first respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, alveolar sacs, antrum and alveoli. Here it is an image which explains structure of a single respiratory unit. You can understand the structural and as well as morphological features of the single units from this picture. Like see the arrangement of trachea, position of tracheal ring, splitting of alveolar duct, shape of single alveoli and alveolar sac also. So here we will finish introduction phase of respiratory system. Next part we will discuss about other point related to respiratory system. So keep watching next parts also. Thank you.